how many components work into the JVM?
There are three components work in JVM. First, class loader subsystem, second memories, and third execution engine. Class loader subsystem are classified into three categories: loading, linking, and initialization. Loading are also classified into three categories: bootstrap file loader, and extension file loader, and application file loader.
Application.
And loading are also classified into three categories: prepare, resolve, and initialize, and third. And memory area. Memory area first, memory area, then heap area, and stack area, then PC register, and native method library. And execution engines are firstly classified at first JIT compiler, first interpreter, then second JIT compiler, third garbage collector, fourth Java native interface, and fourth libraries that are used. Native libraries.
Okay. What is boxing unboxing concept in Java?
Boxing is used for converting primitive data type into object, and unboxing are converting object into primitive data types.
Okay, suppose that we have float data type,
Yes.
and we have object type. We can convert float type to object type directly.
No.
Is it possible?
No, it is used for boxing for wrapper class.
Okay. What you will write for wrapper classes? How to implement it?
सर जस्ट जो डेटा टाइप फ्लोट डेटा टाइप इट वेरिएबल में लेके इंटीजर डॉट पार्स फ्लोट मेथड एंड कन्वर्ट इट एंड देन टू स्ट्रिंग मेथड कॉल ऑब्जेक्ट को एंड प्रिंट इट देन.
Okay. Basically, object is class or interface?
ऑब्जेक्ट
Yes. OBJECT.
Object.
It is a predefined class or predefined interface?
Class. It is a class.
Which package it exists?
Lang package.
Lang package. Okay. What is the root package of Lang?
Root.
Yeah. Base package of Lang. Lang is the main package or sub package?
Main package Lang. Java.lang.
I think that Java is the main package. Lang is the sub
Lang
package.
is a sub package. Java is main. Lang is a sub package.
What is the default package of Java?
Lang package. Java.lang is default.
Okay. Explain system.out.println in Java.
System is a class of system is a class, and out is a reference variable of print string class, and print ln method is also a method of print string class.
Okay. Out type is a static type
Static
or
type.
dynamic type?
Static type.
Okay. And what is access modifier and non-access modifier in Java?
Access modifier are public, private, protected, and default anything we can non-access like static or dynamic.
Non-static or
And dynamic.
final, abstract, volatile. Final, abstract also I think that
Non-static modifier.
Suppose that main method. Why main method declared static? Why it is not dynamic?
Because it access only static data.
It access only static data means the main method has only static data, nothing else. Suppose that we have any dynamic method and we want to implement this dynamic method under main method, that is possible or not?
Not. We create
Object.
firstly object. Then
Yeah, if we create object then we can access it.
yes, sir.
But why main method declared static? Why JVM not declare main method to dynamic? It is a predefined method, I know that. But there I have any concern about it that main method is static.
Sorry, sir.
Because if main method will be dynamic, then it will not implicit calling. Because first we create the object, after that it will call. The JVM need one method which will be implicit call. That's why main method declared
Static.
static. Because static will be called without any object. This is the reason. Okay, if you are creating main method, then always you will pass string args.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the meaning of string args?
String args is string type of array.
Okay, what is the role of string args? Where it will be used?
For command line input. For you can for this method you can you can take input from user from command line argument.
Okay, where command line arguments will work? It will work on compile time or runtime?
Command line argument
Means command line arguments will be passed will pass at compilation time or at runtime?
runtime.
If we pass value in compilation time, then what happened?
Compilation time.
Suppose
Sorry.
Java C hello.java time 20 I will pass. Then it will provide error or it will successfully implement.
No, sir. First program compile. Then
No. My question is that I have created the program. Okay, where I have used command line arguments, and I will compile the program Java C hello.java, and I will pass 10, 20 at the time of compilation, not the execution. Then what happened? It will raise error or it will compile it. Ignore 1020.
error ignore 20.
Ignore 1020 or provide error?
No, sir. Program will because static data can access static data compile time में memory ले लेता है.
You are confused. Okay, what is the system.in.read method?
System.in.read method is present in scanner class.
System.in present in scanner class. I am asking about system.in.read method. What is the disadvantage of this method?
Because it does not read space.
It does not read space. And any other differences? It will throw exception. It will throw any type of exception. System.in.read method. I am not asking about next and next line. Both are the different. I am asking about what is the difference. First, the input process is system.in.read method. Okay, after that scanner class has been implemented. Then what is the disadvantage of system.in.read method? That's why scanner class has been implemented. Do you know about it?
No, sir.
Okay. What is suppose that we have 7 different colors and we want to implement these colors. Then how to implement it in Java?
You can create string type of array and the string values color डालने सारे and then print.
Okay. And we have colors as well as color set. And this is a A set color, this is a B set color, this is a C set color. I want to implement this. Then what I will do?
Sorry, sir. As
We have color set and after that color, and I want to display it. Or I want to contain in variables. Then which type of variables you will create?
firstly, you create an array for string type, and
You understand my question? We have 2 different things. The first thing is a color set, and second thing is a color. I want to display both of it. Color set A, B, C color. Color set B, C, this color. Color set E, this color. This type of implementation I want to do. Then what you will do?
Sir, we can use for loop.
I am asking to which type of variable. Loop is just used to display the
Display,
element. I am just asking which type of variables you will take. You will take array or any other thing.
No, sir. Array भी ले सकते हैं and variable भी ले सकते हैं.
Not all variables you can take it. How
Yes.
many variables you will take? You have 3 set and every set has 3 different type of colors.
So array ले लेंगे, but ले भी सकते हैं अपन variable भी ले सकते हैं.
But it's not optimized if you are
But
taking
its
the variables.
memory time is.
You will take multi-dimension string array. No?
Yes, sir.
At this situation, where we have one color set and define different type of colors, you will take multi-dimension. Why you are putting multi-dimension? Where multi-dimension approach is that where we will manipulate 2 different type of data. Okay? What is jagged array in Java?
Jagged array.
Yes.
Jagged array. Jagged array is a part of an that you can just for example you can print just like first row how many column you.
What is the meaning of jagged? Jagged means structured or unstructured?
Unstructured.
Okay. So what is the main difference between multi-dimension array and jagged array?
Multi-dimensional
means what is the difference between multi-dimension array and jagged array? Where you will prefer multi-dimension array or where you will prefer jagged array?
For your requirement is an structured data to use such like row and that column, then you can use multi-dimensional array and you can print just print unstructured
Data.
To use.
You can simply say that set of rows is called jagged, set of rows and columns is called multi-dimensional. Because jagged has only set of rows, column will be decided
by
runtime. Okay, means first row we want to implement three elements. Second row only one element. Third row 5 elements. If this type of elements implementation, then you will go with jagged array. If you want to implement 3 by 3, 5 by 3, 3 by 2, means every row has common column elements. At that scenario, we prefer multi-dimensions. Okay, nothing else. That is the difference. You can use for each loop to display multi-dimension array.
No sir.
Is it not possible?
No sir. Because for each loop to print in single dimensional array.
No, you can print it. Okay, you will simply create for int AR. You will create array type of variables. Colon elements, and after that you can display. Yeah, it can be possible. Okay, multi-dimension array can be printed by for each loop. How to restrict class to create only one object?
Singleton class.
How to create it?
Sir,
without using singleton class, I am not creating any singleton class. Using logic, how to implement it?
Sir, we can if condition. We can use if condition, just like in main method you can create 2 to 3 object. जैसे फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट वी कॉल, देन एक वेरिएबल ले लेंगे, उसमें कुछ भी वेरिएबल का नाम लेके उसमें अपन उसकी वैल्यू पहले
किस टाइप का वेरिएबल लेंगे?
ग्लोबल टाइप का.
स्टैटिक लेंगे, डायनेमिक लेंगे?
स्टैटिक लेंगे.
कहाँ पे इसको डिफाइन करेंगे?
इसको दूसरी जहाँ अपने को सर
बता के नहीं बता सकते, सीधा सीधा बोलो ना. कंस्ट्रक्टर के अंदर जाकर के प्लस कर देंगे और चेक कर लेंगे यदि काउंटर की वैल्यू 1 से ज्यादा हो जाए. ठीक है, आपको भी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, एक्सप्लेन करने में प्रॉब्लम्स है. आप अपने एक्सप्लेनेशन को सही करिए. क्योंकि इंटरव्यूज में आपको आने से मतलब नहीं होता. आप जितना अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करते हो, ज्यादा आपको बता नहीं, एग्जैक्टली आंसर दो. इसका आंसर आपको ऐसा देना है, वी विल टेक स्टैटिक वेरिएबल्स, ओके, इनिशियलाइज बाय 1, increment this variable under the default constructor, because when we create the constructor, when we create the object, then constructor will be called and a count variable will increment by 1. If count greater than 1, then system.exit. This class only implemented by one object. That is the answer, nothing else. Okay, do preparation lot. Okay,
thank you sir.
पहले टोपी उतार दे.
टोपी में ऐसे बाल दिखेंगे.
दिखने देना, क्या दिक्कत है? कम अपने कोई और थोड़ी शूटिंग हो रही है, तो वो चल रहा है इंटरव्यू का सुधार.
बढ़िया है.